Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Bonnie, and at Bon Voyage we deal with affordable trips, cruise destinations, and travel related tips. Consider subscribing so you won't miss anything. Today we are celebrating 2 birthdays in Las Vegas. We are staying at my favorite place, the Encore. Come along as I show you an Encore Las Vegas tour that includes the gorgeous panoramic suite on the 63rd floor. We also capture the Wynn Casino and some restaurants as well. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the Encore Las Vegas. Open the drapes.
Okay.
My view. It's pretty warm right now. We are in the month of June and it is probably around 92, 93. But staying here at the Encore, it's right next door to the Wynn there. What's nice is that they have some super nice nightclubs, and if you stay here, you can get on the list. It's Olivia's 21st birthday and they got on the list and it didn't cost them anything. So that's pretty nice. And they have famous DJs, etc. Right down there is where the action happens with the XS nightclub. You can kind of see there is where they're having some beach party action. So those are 2 real popular things in this hotel. Ask for a high up floor, otherwise you will hear this. Or just ask for the non-noisy side. If you're enjoying this content, please hit that notification bell and that like button for more opportunities to see more videos just like this one. And also check out my other videos about Northern Europe and everywhere I've been to possibly inspire you for your next vacation. You can see way over there is the airport. And there's a really nice golf course right there. But it's a gorgeous view. I really like this room for that reason. The picture of our room. Really beautiful room. We're really happy to be here. Look at, you have this big closet. The bathroom is really special. It's got the shower. So we really have enjoyed being here. It's a gorgeous place. The mask law is pretty much if you are vaccinated, you don't have to wear a mask, and that's about it. We're at the Wynn in Las Vegas, and it's my daughter's 21st birthday. It's my birthday too, but I'm not 21. Buffet at the Wynn. It's not open right now, but they're planning on opening at end of June. But it's really a nice place to come. I have enjoyed it when I've been here. We walked though so far today. I think I saw Mandalay Bay. It's way past the Hilton Grand Vacation, way over there. Of course, went to Caesars, Mirage. We went through the Wynn a bunch of times. So today I am at 21,000 steps. Crazy, it's over 9.5 miles that I've walked today. Normally you can take a monorail, a bus, an Uber, but we decided we were gonna walk. So we're pretty tired. But it was fun. Keep in mind, you really might want to pack some walking shoes because it is tough to walk around. It's 105 degrees today. The monorail costs about $5, and you can catch that up by the convention center, but it doesn't come as far down as the Wynn. It does go all the way to MGM Grand, but we took an Uber. That seemed to work best for us, so you can definitely do that. You just have to be prepared to wait, and sometimes you have to go to the other side of a casino. It's not necessarily right where you think it's going to be, so make sure you ask around to where they pick up. This is the aftermath of walking around today, but hopefully by 10:30 tonight they're going to be up and ready to go. Charlie's Bar and Grill. You guys, it's prom. I just put some coins in this guy's mouth, and then we have this. It's my coin, and this is my coin. It's good luck, but if it isn't, then that's just how it is. We're at the restaurant at our hotel. Wazuzu is what it's called. It's really a beautiful place. We had to wait a bit of time, like 2.5 hours. Junkin noodle tofu with vegetables. This is vegan rainbow roll. Liana.
Very good.
Martine?
Incredible.
Incredible. Yeah, mine is delicious too. Perfect. This is a bar that you can sit at, and then they let you watch the show, but it's so full we can't get in, so we're outside of the show so you're not hearing the music. The Wynn here in Las Vegas is really a fun time. There was a show you can see right behind me here. It was very brief. It was maybe lasted about 10 minutes, and it's I showed a little bit of that clip. But anyway, I just wanted to say that the Wynn Encore place to stay is really nice. It's super classy, great restaurants. We really enjoyed our Asian food we just had, and so it was super fun. So here we are. I've got my family with me, famous YouTubers, Martine and Juliana. They happen to be related to me, so we're all here together. So you guys, what do you think about this place?
The Wynn?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like the Wynn a lot. I think I would want to stay here again in the future.
Or the Encore.
Or the Encore, it's like insane.
Why do you like it?
Not as busy as the other ones there in the middle of the strip, and not as noisy.
Very classy. I won $82 on the slot.
Wow.
Slots are loose. It's very interesting.
Slots are loose.
It's a very international crowd and very interesting people. I like it.
It looks like there's a lot to do here too, huh? A lot of restaurants. Like, what is this Lakeside down here?
That's the bar.
Oh, it's a bar. Isn't this a restaurant over here? It's very tasteful and a lot going on for every kind of age group, and it's a great couples place. Everybody looks really nice tonight. It's been quite a trip. We've gone everywhere and it was a great time. I hope you enjoyed it. There's so much to do in Las Vegas. You never get tired of it. So much fun to come back. And it's really fun to do it with my kids. Eat at new places, experience new things, and it was a great time to get away. So it's good to know that Las Vegas is now open for business. And if you like this video and you are interested in learning more about places around the US and especially around just anywhere that I travel to, please subscribe below. And until next time, thanks for watching.